Welcome to Gülhane Park, one of the most peaceful green spaces in the heart of Istanbul, and you're seeing it in full 360 degrees. Located just a short walk from Sultanahmet Square, this park is a hidden gem, tucked right behind the famous Topkapi Palace. From the hustle and history of Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, it's only about 5 minutes on foot. Just follow the signs toward Topkapi and then the green gates of the park. You can't miss it. As you enter the park, you're immediately welcomed by wide walking paths lined with centuries-old trees. Some of them have been here since the Ottoman times. It feels like the city just melts away behind you, and instead, you get birdsong, shade, and space to breathe. People come here to relax, to stroll, to escape the busy streets. You'll see locals sipping tea, students reading under trees, and travelers like you, pausing for a quiet moment before the next adventure. Depending on the season, Gülhane Park is full of colorful flowers, especially in spring, during the Tulip Festival, when the gardens explode with color. Fountains bubble in the background, benches invite you to sit, and from certain spots, you get beautiful views over the Bosphorus. To your right, you might notice the Museum of the History of Science and Technology in Islam, worth a stop if you're curious. But even if you're just here for a walk, the calm atmosphere is more than enough. Gülhane Park has history too. It used to be part of the outer gardens of Topkapi Palace. In fact, the Tanzimat Decree, a major reform in the Ottoman Empire, was announced right here in 1839. You're literally walking through a space that witnessed turning points in history, and now it's a public park, open to everyone. So whether you're just passing through or taking a break in the shade, Gülhane Park offers a different side of Istanbul, one that's slower, greener, and just as rich in beauty as the city's monuments. Enjoy the breeze, take your time, and when you're ready, the rest of the city is just a few steps away.